Hello everyone, welcome to Exhort Solutions. In previous video we completed our first 2D sketch. If you have any query related to that, you can ask me in comment section. In this video we are going to draw the next 2D sketch. So let's get started. Hello everyone, for today's video this is our sketch. So to start a new project, click on Start, Mechanical Design, Sketcher. Here you can give any name to your part. For example, I will give project 2 and press OK. Here at left side you have to select any one of this plane to go to sketcher environment. I am selecting XY plane. This is our sketcher environment and all this command we are going to use to draw the sketch. This is our sketch. To draw this sketch we have to draw first these circles. So we will draw the circles. Like this you have to draw the circles. The next step is to give dimensions of these circles. The dimensions of the circle is, the larger circle is 64 diameter of left side and the smaller circle is 34. The larger circle is 64 diameter and the smaller circle is 34. Similarly, the right side circle's dimensions are, the larger circle is 38 and smaller circle is 20. The larger circle is 38, smaller circle is 20 and larger circle is 38. Now the next step is to give distance between these two circles. The distance between these two circles is 75. So to give distance, press Ctrl, select these 2 points and click on constraint. Now dimension will appear, double click on it and give 75. Now the next step is to draw these 2 arcs between circles. To draw these arcs, draw circle like this. Make sure it will be tangent from one side and select circle and second circle like this and select on constraint defined box and make it tangent from another side also. Now select quick trim and trim like this. Similarly, draw circle from here. Make sure it will be tangent from one side and select circle and another circle and make it tangent from another side also. Similarly, select quick trim and trim like this. Now the next step is to give dimensions of these arcs. The arcs dimensions are 64 radius. So click on constraint and select arc and give radius 64 like this. Similarly with second arc 64. Now our sketch will be ready. As you can see, the final step is to give dimensions from axis like this. It is 200 and our sketch will be ready. Thank you for watching.